So for today's unboxing, I have EXO's second album Repackage, Love Me Right, and this is the Chinese version. So there you got the front, and this says Love Me Right with glossy texture, if you see it there. Yeah, the spine is black with yellow, and the back you get the track list in there. Yeah, so these come with Photocard that I'm going to take out and show you later. I also have the poster, and that will be at the end. Yeah, so here you have the CD is attached with foam, and this is the correct way, and is the same as the current one. It's a helmet. Yep. But look at the photo book. Ooh, they also have some Gatanyo. They came out the back. Tracklist. Oh, you. Oh my god. Suho look really cute. Love Me Right. Oh, look at Dio, he's so cute. My god, they are just too handsome. Tender Love. Yeah. Ooh. So it's a Call Me Baby, original title. Call Me Daddy. If you get this album, you should read your. If you get like this album, you should read the original title because they're really weird. Transformer. Kelso having a lot of fun in a not working machine. Is that how the correct way to say it? I don't know. Oh my god, so handsome. Like he's already but more than he should. My answer kind of long, right? Yeah, kind of long. Oh my god, Kai is so handsome. Why they are so handsome? Oops. Exodus. Shumi. DORADO. Yeah. PLAYBOY, I love this song and the dance too. If you have seen it, you probably like it too. First Love Hurts. Oh, original title. What you loving? What you loving? Okay. Oh, it's so cute, right? Lady Luck. She mean copying their song. Oh, both of them look so cute. Oh, Cancer. May and beautiful. Oh, EXO 2014 or Promise or Taktok or blah blah blah. On this pretty group thing. Yeah, and the critics and this one. No texture, but I think the texture is like in the individual Exodus album. Yeah, so you get this. I don't like it, but well, you have it. And obviously the Photocard. So this is the back. The Photocard that I got. Oh, who is it? It's Bacon. Who? It's my second bias, and he looks so cute in this photo. Like, and also, yeah, I got doubles. I'm going to put the haul soon next week. So you will see my reaction when I got these 2 doubles. Yep. So let's go and see the poster. Ta-da! So there is the poster. I really love this poster. So nice. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like it, and I will see you in my whole video thing. Yeah, bye guys.